Hello everybody. So here we're going to start with lesson 3 today, and it's a problem solving activity where we are going to learn how to make a table. Making a table. Very good. So when they say table, they don't mean a regular table, right guys? They're not saying like something you sit at like when you eat. No. What do they mean? What does that mean? What do you think it means when they say table? It's another word we might use for a table. Okay? Graph. That's also a really good way to describe the table that we're going to make today. It's kind of like a graph. It's just got different categories. So here I'm going to start with my own first just to show you, and then I'm going to do the example up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up my table. So I'm going to go like this and make a big rectangle. Very good. Remember, a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Very good. So then I'm just going to go right across here so I can put my headings or like my labels up there. So I'm going to do yellow and brown. Very good. Yellow and brown. Awesome. Yellow, brown. So now, basically what you're going to do is a sorting activity where you get to count them and sort them and then write the numbers. So ready? Let's see. Let's see how many I have. So this is a brown, and then the rest are yellow. So I'm going to put them in my little categories here. Now let's count them. So how many brown do I have? 1, 2. So I'm going to write a 2 over here. Very good. Now, how many yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And that is how simple it is to make a table. See that? How cool is that? All right, so let's do our first page here together. So it says count how many bears. So we're going to count the bears all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many bears are there? 15. Very good. So let's count the red bears. That's what it says down here. It says count the red bears. So what I do in order to keep track is I just cross them out as I count them when I know that I'm going to be using this data to count others, like how many are left. So I just want to keep track of it. So I'm going to cross them out just like this, just real fast. So only the red ones, only red. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 red bears. So I'm just going to trace this number, and I don't really have to trace it because I know how to write a 10, but that's okay because it's always good to practice. 10. Very good. You write a 1 and a 0 after the 1. Now let's count the yellow. I'm going to circle the yellow this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now I'm going to trace my 5. Over, down with the big fat belly. Very good. So this is my table. See? Very good work today, guys. This is awesome. So now this is a really fun activity if afterwards you would like to just kind of like set some like candies or something on the, on the floor somewhere, or maybe just anywhere really that you can have some room, and just spend some time, just sorting with your child, and putting things into a table. It's actually a lot of fun when you get some different things with it. So like just as an example, I'm going to put all these candies, the little raspberry ones, over here, and we're sorting. See, and we're not just learning colors, we're learning about numbers, we're learning about characteristics or attributes that can be related. Very good. So all my reds are going to be here, and then I got a purple and a green. So see, I just sorted all those candies, and if I had a student in front of me, that would be a really fun activity for them, and then they'd probably get rewarded if they got them right by getting to eat one of them. Exactly. Good. So as you go through today, all you have to do is just kind of follow the instructions here, and you're going to count like the blue and the green tiles and make a table. You're going to do purple and orange and make a table. And then as you go through, just make sure you're counting and crossing off. And if you miscount, you go back and try it again. That's the biggest part, guys, is counting. Make sure you're always counting as much as you possibly can. Great job today, guys.